Hello guys, it's Shmaila here. Today we are going to learn about how to calculate the empirical formula in 3 minutes. Okay, so in GCSE they give you the question. In that question they give you the percentage or the masses of the different elements. Like in this question they give you the percentage of carbon, hydrogen and chlorine, and they are saying that the percentage of carbon is 38.4, hydrogen is 4.8 and chlorine is 56.8. The question is, what is the empirical formula? Well, the first step you need to do, remember, and the first key hint you need to remember is never round off any values or don't miss any step during the empirical formula calculation. So the first step is you need to calculate the moles. How you will calculate the moles? Divide the percentage with their MR. Okay, in that case, obviously the atomic mass of each element. Okay, carbon mass is 12, so you will divide it with 12. Hydrogen is 1, chlorine is 35.5. Okay, when you divide this value, what you got 38.4 divided by 12 will give you 3.2. Remember, these are the moles and you are not going to round off any number of moles. Otherwise, wrong answer. Okay, 4.1 divided by 1 is going to be 4.8. Sorry, 4.8. Okay, the chlorine is 56.8 divided by 35.5 give you 1.6. Okay, these are the moles. Now you need to calculate the ratio. Okay, how you will do that? Well, you need to divide all the moles by the smallest mole number. Okay, 3.2. Just look at the first digit before the decimal. It's 3, it's 4, it's 1. Which one is smaller? 1. So you will divide everything with 1.6. Okay, you will divide everything with 1.6. When you divide 3.2 with 1.6, you got 2. Okay, now 4.8 divided by 1.6, you got 3. And when you divide 1.6 with 1.6, you got 1. Remember, it's a ratio. Okay, the in whole number. It's not the empirical formula. Empirical formula is going to be CHCl, and when you write down these value in the subscript. So carbon is going to be 2. Okay, because this thing is for the carbon. Okay, this thing is for the hydrogen, 3, and this thing is for the chlorine. So chlorine is going to be 1. This is your empirical formula. No need to write down the 1 because when if there is no digit, we know that there is 1 chlorine. If you write down the ratio instead of the exact formula, you will lose the marks. So write down the symbols and the values. Okay, now there is another hint. What's the other hint? If you are not getting the values like in a whole number, so what you need to do? Well, it's easy peasy. If you are not getting the value in whole number, let's suppose you are getting for carbon 1.5, for hydrogen you are getting 2, and for chlorine you are getting 1. Don't round off 1.5 to the nearest whole number. Never do this thing. Instead, multiply everything with something so you can get the whole number. Let's say in that case, you are getting 3, 4, and 2. So the empirical formula is going to be C3H4Cl2. Okay. In empirical formula, never round off the value. Clear? Now we are ending our lecture here. I will see you. Thanks and subscribe my channel.